I'm Greg Sankoff. I'm the president and CEO of Juliet Marine Systems. I am the creator of the Ghost boat. We came up with the name Ghost because the boat is intended to have no radar signature at all. The biggest challenge of the U.S. Navy today is how do you get in and operate in denied access areas? Well, today we can't do it. And that's what Ghost can do. Ghost can go into those areas, loiter for 30 days on fuel on board, and leave without anybody knowing you're over there. Our philosophy has been that we will put up the risk money for R&D because that allows us more flexibility in uses for the product later on. You just can't wait for the government to say we want this. You need to be developing products like this and bringing them to the government and saying, look what we have. Are you interested in this program? That's where we are right now. This looks this way purely to reflect radar, but it ends up looking cool. Everybody that sees it thinks it looks like it's out of Star Wars or Star Trek or one of those shows, but it's really all functional. Every angle is very, very functional. It's very easy to drive. You have a set of gas turbine throttles for those jet engines, and you have a steering joystick, and that's all you have to do with this boat, is push on the throttles and move the joystick. When you command the boat to turn, the computers know exactly what they should be doing to turn the boat. A supercavitating underwater structure means that you have surrounded the entire underwater structure in gas. We can get about 6 or 7 feet of clearance between the bottom of the command module and the top of the wave. So we can actually cut through waves without feeling them. Now, we're primarily focused today on the defense segments, internationally and domestically. But this whole forms a great opportunity for sport fishing boats, for jet skis, for high-speed boats. This technology can be employed in all those different product lines.
Number 2.
One of the technologies that we'll be experimenting with this year is the Ultra Heavy Amphibious Connector, or UHAC as we call it. We have a half-scale version of the vehicle. It's tracked with flotation-like pads, paddles itself through the water. With that vehicle, what's unique about it is its ability to traverse terrain that some of our current equipment that's with our amphibious forces wouldn't normally be able to traverse. So the UHAC is one of those experimental technologies that we're looking at as a possible concept, capability to look at how we could take our forces in the future and be able to insert them in areas that we wouldn't be able to insert them today based on our current systems that are fielded.
Number 3.
Komatsu FrontRunner is the premier autonomous haulage system for the mining industry. Not a demonstration or test, FrontRunner has a proven record of delivering quality service and helping customers achieve high production in active mine operations around the world. Komatsu entered the autonomous age in 1990, 6 years before civilian GPS technology was even available. With 22 years of learning and continuous improvement at multiple installations, FrontRunner is the autonomous haulage system you can depend on. FrontRunner is designed to help customers achieve a safer and more reliable, productive, and cost-efficient workflow without taking over the entire operation. This large-scale, non-stop haulage system helps traditional, manually operated equipment and light-duty vehicles to operate safely and efficiently alongside a fleet of Komatsu autonomous haul trucks. The proof is in the production. FrontRunner leads the mining industry with over 200 million tons of surface material moved autonomously in real, in-pit production. No one has moved more material with more autonomous haul trucks at more mine sites than Komatsu. Collaboration with our customers is what has helped lead to the success of FrontRunner, and that collaboration continues long after installation. We work with you to understand the details of your mine and develop specific solutions to help you in achieving successful operations. After your system is running, you're in charge, but we're available for ongoing training and support. You wouldn't expect anything less from Komatsu. FrontRunner includes sophisticated navigation and guidance systems developed and proven in real-world mining. From obstacle detection systems to multifunctional collision avoidance to manual interaction, FrontRunner integrates multiple technologies and aligns them with a mine's own safety policies and best practices to help customers achieve a safer, more reliable operation. With technology built in collaboration with Modular Mining Systems, the preferred mine management system in 9 of the 10 largest mines in the world, FrontRunner is the right choice for autonomous haulage. It's the perfect solution for mining customers seeking to enhance efficiency, quality, cost per ton, and safety in their operations. Komatsu is building on its history of innovation and collaboration to lead into the future.
Number 4. Number 5.
And here it is, the Buffalo Extreme, the world's largest fire truck. The truck has a total weight of 68 tons, has a 571 horsepower engine, and can reach a maximum speed of 65 kilometers an hour. It is truly a powerhouse in every way.
Wie der Name schon aussagt, es ist ein extremes Fahrzeug.
As the name says, it is a vehicle of extremes. It is basically designed for regions where there are no streets and there is no water. This means it is completely suited to off-road terrain. The large tires make it possible for the vehicle to travel over soft surfaces like desert or tundra, where it would be difficult to build roads. The Rosenbauer-designed aluminium superstructure contains a water tank that can deliver 33,000 liters of water to any fire. The super heavy-duty rescue truck also has a special cooling system developed for tropical climates. With the new N65 pump, it is possible, using the turret mounted on top of the vehicle, to put out fires directly. The vehicle can therefore be used to extinguish burning oil wells or to protect industrial facilities in the desert other vehicles would have trouble reaching. The Buffalo Extreme has an extinguishing output of 6,500 liters a minute at a pressure of 10 bar and is a reliable partner for oil fields and industrial structures in regions that are difficult to reach. The largest fire truck in the world, produced to the world-renowned Rosenbauer standards.
Number 6. Number 7.